Hello, my name is Karan Kathur and my partner name is Darsh Karana. We are from BTech IT 7th and today's our topic is to download, pull and push Docker image into Docker Hub into in Docker container. So this is our today's topic.
So Docker Desktop is the easiest way to pull and push any images into your Docker container. Like it can provide you some specific local and hub for your Docker image. And so whenever we just search for it, some images, we have so many global market for create. Like we can just search for it like Python. So it will give an image or a Python image and we can just copy this. There are two way to pull any images from to your system from global market. Like we can just copy that file and go to CMD. So Docker is a global and it's installed in everyone's system by globally. So we don't need to create any specific folder to install this. It will automatically install in your Docker's folder kind container. So because it's a contain beans. So yeah, we can just simply write that and it will start downloading. It's very lengthy, so it will just quit it because it costs so much time and net speed. So so this is some specific files like according to this Python images. It gives some discrimination about what is it and what does it do, license and all. So we'll just pull it from here and it will start running and working. So as you can see, like it's updated still, like it can be updated by globally by anyone. So we can just pull it and we can do some our other works and we can just push it back from Docker Hub into Docker Hub. So as you can see, whenever I will start that image, it will create me container. Like as you can see, I don't have a container, any specific container that I've created, or I don't have any specific images rather than this. This image is just rating. I don't have any specific volume. I just, as you can see, this image is just downloading and it's in an upcoming state. So we will wait until this image start. So this is a very beneficial that whenever you can just pull any images or you can run any images and it will create you an automatic container that can your image run even though you don't have any container specifically. And we have some second way to create this. Like you can just go to the AWS instance and you can just connect that instance, Ubuntu based instance you have created in, and it will just give you some specific console, Ubuntu based console to create your desktop. As you can see, we have worked here. You can do it by both way. You can just search for it, Docker images and all. It will give them errors. So it's very confidential and some very hectic manner to do this. But we can just do it from Docker desktop. It's easiest and very helpful way to just download your images, pull your images and push it back to Docker Hub. So after doing so many researches and so much research about it, how to push and pull images into Docker, I got to know that this is the easiest way. So as you can see, our image is ready to run. We will just create it though. So right now the container is not created. We have to run this. So we will select this. So the container is not run. We'll just run it. As you can see, this is some container, but it will create you automatically your image based container. So this is executed. So this container is created. As you can see, this is the image that's in a running state. Will whenever you just give some specific confidential, so this will start running. Or if you just run it two or three more times, then it will create you two or three different containers. As you can see, we have to delete from there. We can delete it here if you don't need. So this is our specific based container that our Python image is loading and it's in a running state. but I we don't have the role now. So as you can see, we have created Python. Like we can just do some any other images like Java or something like just like we can do Hello World. That is a very low in a storage and in a network speed. So we can just pull it by here. It's very it's very simple and easy to run. Like as you can see that it's easy to run. It have a very low storage and very low packages. So it run very easily. As you can see, this is for our Hello World and this is for Python. Python image latest and Hello World latest image. So this is in running state. It's already running. It will just give you this is a Hello World and this is a Python because Python has a very low MB like 24 KB. Hello World has a very low MB and Python has a very big amount of data like 1.47 GB. So it takes some more time to run it properly. But Hello World has a very low amount of and we can just do some pull and push technique like we can push it back to the Docker hub from where we have created and where we have got it. So globally it can be done. And if you don't need any specific containers, so we can just delete it from here, delete forward, and it will just delete your container. And for about your images, we can delete it. So it was as easy as it was, and we can just do our connected instant. We can also terminate this instant by where was it? Like instant, instant state. Yeah, instant state, terminate instance, terminate, and this will terminate our instance from AWS, Amazon Web Service, and boom. Yeah, our instance is already terminated. So we can just and we can end this lab, and yes, so it will end our lab. So that's for all. Thank you. This was my topic about how to push and pull images into Docker. So, yeah, thanks for this. We'll just go. Thank you. That's for all. Thank you so much. Have a good day.